wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you all can see, I have done a blue smoky eye like after such a long time. So it's not really a matte smoky eye, not a daytime look, but a more glam look. And this is what it looks like. This is how it looks. So this is a perfect New Year time look. The makeup look is perfect for New Year's, and I think this is a very positive. You can beat the blues using blue. So beat the blues using blue. So I really love the concept of a blue smoky eye for some reason more than a pink smoky eyes. I have a special place for brown smoky eyes, but blue smoky eyes are equally good. So I really love this, and if you want to know how to get this, then let's get right in. Hey, wait a moment, have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you have, then thank you so much guys, and if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, let's get right into the video. To begin with, I'm going to be starting off with some jojoba oil. This is by Anaha, and this happens to be my favorite company for oil. I'm going to be using this as my primer. So I'm going to be using this as my primer, and I want my skin to be well prepped because I'm going for a dewy base. Because this is a smoky eye look and my eyes are supposed to be nice and smoky, my face is supposed to be nude, and so are my lips. It's not going to be like the Christmas makeup look because that we went all out and we were focusing on two features, but makeup in general is one feature focus, so we are going to focus on that. For my foundation, for my base, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Polish Matte along with my Sephora foundation, which is my favorite combination and y'all know it. So along with this, I'm going to be using this jojoba oil, and I'm going to mix the three well. So a little bit of the Fit Me foundation, then I'm going to mix a little bit of the Sephora foundation. By the way, I'm breaking out so bad guys. I don't know if it's just winter or is there any other reason. I think my body is just too heated up. I'm gonna mix a few drops of this jojoba oil in this and then mix it up. I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender. I mean, this beauty blender is so good. I'm gonna leave the details to this down below. Much better than all the beauty blenders I've tried till now.
We too have run about the sun and think the days is gone. We've wandered many a weary foot. It's the days of Auld Lang Syne. Auld Lang Syne, my dear.
Now I'm going to be using this concealer. This shade is slightly lighter than my skin tone. But I'm making sure that I go in with minimal product. Now again, I'm going to be taking my damp sponge and I'm kind of going to blend this in really well. I want some blush from within, so I'm going in with this Dream Touch by Maybelline. I'm just going to warm it up using my fingers and apply it on my cheeks. Basically just the apples of my cheeks, and then I'm going to drag it slightly. I wanted to go in with this underneath my base because I personally think it gives a very nice look. But yeah, I was really skeptical of doing that. I'm also going in with a little bit on my chin because I need that flash of color. A little bit on my nose as well, just a dot. Now I'm gonna take the beauty blender and blend it in. Now I'm quickly gonna set my face using this Maybelline setting powder. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and start with my under eyes first. Now once I'm done with setting my face, I'm quickly gonna use some contour powder to contour my face.
I'm gonna let it shine, this little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine, this little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine.
So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with some blush on again, and this time I want something very neutral toned. Of course I'm going for a blush and not a bronzer because blush is more of my thing. So I'm gonna go in with this peach shade. Okay, I've never really applied this a lot. I mean, this is an orangey peach shade. I generally go for this. But yeah, I think I like this one. So I'm gonna be using this Calabar bronzer. So this is a very pretty packaging, as you can see. To kind of mute my blush, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and dab dab dab. Oh, I completely forgot to mention for my bronzer I mixed this Calabar bronzer, which is a very pretty bronzer, with my Wet n Wild bronzer, so the bronzer might look a little different to me, which is what I exactly wanted. Then I'm going in with this Savannah Colors palette, and I'm just gonna take all of these shades, swipe that across, and I want my highlighter to be a little blinding. I don't know why. I'm supposed to keep it a little subtle, but hey, I want it bold. Again, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and kind of neuter it down because I'm not supposed to go in with a bold highlighter, at least not for now. I'll see if I want to do that later. Next, I'm gonna fill in my brows. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be taking this light brown shade and then applying it on my crease very lightly. Next, I'm gonna go in with a darker brown. Up next, I'm gonna be going in with this blue shade because I'm going in with a blue smoky eye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you
I'm gonna be taking a pencil brush like this, and I'm gonna be using this black and kind of smoking the outer corner.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy.
Quickly gonna finish this eye and get back. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with that. Now I'm quickly gonna apply my eyeliner. Oh, by the way, this is not a lipstick. I was just trying out something. Don't worry about that. I'll take it out. Doesn't go well.
We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin.
After the look, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild setting spray and here we go. I'm also gonna use some mascara. So one thing I've always seen is people kind of do this, like they put in a lot of air into the mascara, and that is one of the reasons the mascara dries out. Do not do that. You just simply need to put it in and out. Don't pump the mascara in the tube. Next, I'm gonna be taking this eyeshadow, which is a highlighter shadow, and I'm gonna be putting it on my inner corner and my brow bone.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Now I'm gonna be using this liquid matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Madras Kafi.
I'm gonna let it shine.
So if you want, you can leave it at this, but I'm not very happy with the coverage of the lipstick, nor am I happy with the lipstick, so I'm gonna use raw cocoa on top of this. So I've applied a little bit of raw cocoa along with the Nykaa Madras Kafi, along with a little bit of Maybelline lip gradation in the shade Mauve. So I've used a combination of the three. With that, I complete this look. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, it's a wrap. I'll see you all super soon with another one. Until then, bye.
Let it shine.